Skulls, marigold flowers, candles, and bread. These are all items you're likely to find on an ofrenda. As Dia de Muertos quickly approaches, millions of people across the world are setting up their ofrendas to celebrate their loved ones who have passed away. While the traditional roots of ofrendas date back to the indigenous people of Mexico and other parts of Latin America, anyone can make an ofrenda. Here are some recommendations for what yours can contain.
Most altars include a photo of the deceased loved one. Some altars include items to represent the four elements of life: earth, wind, water, and fire. Earth is represented by food such as pan de muerto. Wind is represented by papel picado moving in the air. Fire is represented by a candle's flame. And water is represented by a glass of water. Altars also often include items the deceased person enjoyed. For example, food they like to eat, or if they were a fan of a sports team, you can add items related to the team. In some parts of Mexico, salt is also added to the altar as it's believed to help keep the spirit from getting lost while it temporarily returns to the world of the living.
Your altar doesn't have to be elaborate or large. Every ofrenda is unique and personal, so don't worry about whether you're doing it correctly or not. Check out our website for a list of community ofrendas you can visit in San Diego. And be sure to check out KPBS Digital Ofrenda on October 28th.